Move to eliminate competition? Let's investigate. Ultrafine Cement Additive Company, a leading supplier of cement enhancers for the construction industry. Mahalaxmi Hardware and Ganesh Engineering, small vendors supplying spare parts and machinery repair. Different industries supplied similar spares to Ultrafine. Why they had not booked any complaint with other suppliers? What is the benchmark of original spares? How many invoices of other vendors Ultrafine produced as an evidence? Measure spares supplier of Ultrafine, yet deeply connected. But things took a dark turn when Ultrafine filed police complaints against 5 individuals: a business manager, a junior employee, a trainee, Mahalaxmi Hardware, vendor, and Ganesh Engineering, workshop. Where Ultrafine may try to solve the vendor problem roundtable by dialogue or discussion, or hold payment, or by blacklist the vendor. Despite of doing it, why Ultrafine still doing business with Mahalaxmi if they have a conflict with Mahalaxmi and with its associates? Their crime? Allegedly supplying duplicate parts or a document fraud which mismanaging company to hide a mismanagement? Does the company provided its system of procedure of receiving spare parts, releasing spares parts order, releasing payments from head office with various labels of approvers? Then why one person is then responsible for incident? Ultrafine claimed to receive faulty spare parts, yet they accepted replacements without complaint. Why did not they preserve it for an evidence? Why did not they give in any CCTV, forensic or scientific evidence or external and internal audit report? Why they did not submit the witness employment details, key performance role and responsibilities, position in company? What is the system of procedure SOP for store department, accounts department, purchase department, HR department, operation and production department, sales department? All these departments runs various role in Ultrafine and run by head office under different managers. Then how come only one person, business manager, is responsible for this? Where business manager is key responsibility to make company profitable and monitoring production, not responsible for any such work involved in housekeeping or store or accounts or purchase. No official records were maintained to prove the claims. 1 year later, the company renewed allegations, but with no new evidence. This raises serious legal concerns. No separate internal or external stock closing records. No official verification of store records, internal audit report, store accounting approvals, DMS approvals for material receiving and DMS approvals for payment process. If the data management system runs for various approvals at head office level, then is the company hiding any mismanagement done by very senior employee at HO? No scientific lab test report, no records of spares received faulty in audit report or financial report, no serial number or CCTV as evidence produced to prove duplicate parts or a forged invoice. Under Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, BNS, 2023 Section 218, false charges can be considered malicious prosecution if intentional. Ultrafine didn't stop there. They accused an employee of stealing a laptop and an AC unit. But their only evidence? An Amazon invoice. No CCTV footage, no physical verification. If theft occurred, why wasn't it reported when it happened? Was it really installed? No installation report, or no serial number, or no service record was produced? Expect an Amazon bill without any serial number? How many AC used in company and where are they installed with entire capex or stock reports not submitted in any evidence? Then how to ensure or verify the theft was real or fake by the investigation team? Why didn't Ultrafine submitted all his assets list with proper invoices? Why Ultrafine did not given any invoices of the vertical roller mill purchase invoice as its original purchased from Zenith China? Or it was just locally purchased and company had allowed different vendors to supply local spares, and among them Mahalaxmi and Ganesh are the only victim? This could be a classic case of workplace retaliation. What if this isn't about theft? What if it's about fear of competition? The accused employee had deep technical knowledge in cement additives. Could he have been planning to join a competitor like Ultratech or Counto Alkafine? If true, this could be a corporate strategy to block employee career growth, suppress MSME vendors, and eliminate future competition. Is this plotted exactly to harass and target one business manager who is skilled enough to create a competitor or stand up or start up own business fear? Ultrafine's legal claims have serious gaps. No concrete evidence, no CCTV footage, no purchase invoices, the original machine VRM for which duplicate parts or forged documents given and supplied by Mahalaxmi Hardware. How the employee as a business manager role only one responsible for all this conspiracy plotted by Ultrafine? Was the company HR, purchase team, accounts team, sales team, operation team headed by the business manager? If not, how come the other approval authorities for various department-like accounts, HR, purchase, store, sales, are not responsible for the conspiracy or conflict? Was it planned to target only one person? No forensic verification or no internal or external stock audit report, no CCTV evidence of stolen items, only few fake witness whose employment details, position in company and current role in company missing. How many managers were on the same position working before or after at the same position not briefed in the matter? Why the business manager was transferred frequently from HO to Delhi to Nagpur and then to Wada? Was it only a conspiracy as the employee has deep knowledge of ultrafine business production and making profitable, and no formal warning or no roundtable solution was not attempted by me to settle the vendor dispute resolution? Is this just to target one employee who is very knowledgeable and not willing to work further in this company? Does it just to eliminate a person or put the person behind bar because of a fear of competitor? Under Indian labor laws, workplace harassment and falsification could lead to penalties. To ensure justice, several actions must be taken. Full verification of spare part purchases, stock closing, stock audit report, accounts ledger, DMS approval system, HO approval system of procedure for purchase orders, releasing payments is missing with financial transparency reports, investigation into malicious prosecution claims and legal action for workplace harassment. Final thought, business disputes should be handled transparently and ethically on roundtable, which is the rights of such vendors or employees which was violated, not through legal manipulation. Is Ultrafine hiding internal mismanagement behind false claims? Is Ultrafine head office hiding any truth to save its very senior employee? Is the head office involved in all approvals but the investigation team was misguided by the company? If head office provides all the approvals and hold all the rights of releasing payments and approvals, then what exactly the conspiracy theory plotted? Was it really plotted just to eliminate a competitor or spoil an employee carrier? Let the facts speak for themselves. Subscribe for more insights into business, law, and corporate ethics.